Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 20. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wan Ting and Shang-Yi, the two of them still on the studio. It was Shang-Yi. She was provoking her and teasing her so much. She moved closer to Wan Ting. For one thing, she was looking at her. She looks really stunned. Why suddenly? Shang-Yi, she already awakened. Seems that she is not sleeping. This whole time, she already thought that she was sleeping. How could I just make my mind faint? I knew she had things in her mind. One thing said to herself, but right now, of course. Shang-Yi, she was really funny, right? Shang-Yi was holding her hand, but suddenly Wan Ting withdrew her hands and said sorry for the hug. Well, for Shang-Yi, she's well asleep. My origin intention is so well. You want to try the clothes elsewhere. Oh, she was really deceiving, right? Look at her face. She looks really mischievous. Although right now, it was one thing. She seems to be fussed all the time. She doesn't know that Shang-Yi is tricking her so much. It's a little difficult to suddenly think of a reason that sounds serious. Right now, it was one thing, she feels so empty. Well, definitely, Shang-Yi, she was really the trickiest person she ever met. Try yourself. Stood up. Well, she's getting angry, right? Suddenly, run away from her. Now, she's sleeping. Well, where's she planning to go to? Since this is her own studio. And is she really going to leave her? I shouldn't believe her, let alone listen to her. At the studio, it was so late. Right now, she already thinks that Shang-Yi, she was really a bad girl. She made me talk nonsense. Let me be as strong and let me open your eyes and talk nonsense. Well, she was really acting strange. Since everything is overflown, now she really getting angry. On the other hand, when she came back to the studio, the room is silence. Well, where's Shang-Yi? What is she going to do right now? Is she going to flat something again? Well, as of the moment, but right then, when she entered the room, it's too late, you. Was going to call her, but suddenly she got paused. So, what's happening again? What's wrong with Shang-Yi? Is she flatting against her? Turns out this girl, she was really sleepy. She come back to sleeping. And one thing goes around, she fell asleep again. After a few minutes, she came closer to her to check if she was still sleeping. Well, maybe she was really tricking her, but right now it seems to be serious. Shang-Yi, she really falls asleep. It's real for a while. It's real or fake. How many people have you dealt with? Because this girl, she has a lot of tricks, that's why one thing. She's taking herself a precautions. She stood up and go. Well, maybe she get a blanket just to cover her up. Since it was really late at night, guess she will leave it there. Just Shang-Yi, she can take a rest. Well, it was next day, 6:32 a.m. I originally planned to go home after trying my clothes, but I didn't expect to spend the night here. So it turns out she really fell asleep and I don't want to disturb her from sleeping. She picked up the clothes. Well, right now, she must be fuzzled. Of course, she really needs to say thank you to her. Sorry I occupied studio for one night. To have a breakfast together. One thing said to her, but right now, and I'll go first, I'll wait for your call. Turns out, even she got rejected, she was still pushing herself towards one thing. Last night, she came back home night. She came in together in the studio. Sister, are you on your period? One thing, she seems to be surprised and said, what? Why suddenly this girl is asking her so much? Your face is so smelly and, well, looking at her, it seems that She didn't sleep well last night. She looks really tired, and also, her friend is teasing her so much right now. You are tied into the hedgehog by you. Well, this girl. She's talking nonsense, and it was Shangyi. It make her look like that. Jinsei, please help me to put a blanket on the sofa, and there may be a customer coming out later. On the other hand, oh, good. Even though her friends noticed something about her, right now, she didn't insist about it. Instead, she goes on her work. But right now, suddenly, she came back again. Sister wanting, these earrings, do you have this? Right now, she seems to be surprised. Shangyi's last night. And now, can she really admit it? Shangyi came last night. It's not mine. Maybe some customer accidentally left it. Throw it right away. Since her friends knows that she's angry, now she's avoiding to argue with her. Although right now, her friends said, and so on. Now she's going to throw that earrings. How will react if Shangyi knows that earrings had been thrown off? Give it to me. Suddenly, she changed her mind. Now she wants the earring. Well, probably, she will give it back to Shangyi. Now, since she was holding the earrings, it really makes sense to her. How can she tell Shangyi about this? Is she really going to tell Shangyi about this? I was speaking with Shangyi. Oops, accidentally fell to your place. Went home to look for it for a long time. Stop pretending. One thing said to her that she knows that Shangyi. She was talking nonsense again. I thought the excuse was better than the last night. I will throw it away. She seems to be enjoying her company. Number 83, 29th floor, Building A, Juji Yifin. It's my address. Oh, it turns out she wants Wanting to deliver the earrings to her. Wanting said to herself, what is this time? It just gave the informations or the main invitation. What is Shangyi thinking right now? Looking at this girl, she really looks mischievous. Well, let's see what will happen next. Fooling the decision is always in your hands. Wanting said to her. So, the two of them will not tease each other so much. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.